We are back here at Radio Kolelev, and with me on the line, Jay Nightingale from JYP 2030. Hello, Jay.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Very good. Tell us a little bit about JYP.
JYP is a Jewish young professional organization. It's for the ages of 20s to 30s. We do social events, networking events, and gatherings that include bowling, comedy nights, nightclubs, bars, movies, and much more. And you can get information actually from our website at jyp2030.com.
I'm 31. Can I be in the group?
Okay, we'll let you slide, but don't worry, it's all the way to the age of 40, so you're in.
Thank you very much. I'm freaking gorgeous. Of course I'm going to slide in. How is it? Is it that important to find a Jewish girl in this in the community?
I think it's very important. I don't think it's an easy thing to find the right person, but it's something that's very important to me and also important to a lot of my friends to find that special someone. And also, I'm sure they would like to have a Jewish family one day.
And what's coming up next?
What's that?
What's coming up next? What's the next event?
Actually, we're having a 2-year anniversary event. That's going to be a great event to come out and meet people. It's going to be on Saturday night, May 30th, from 10 to 12. We're also going to have an open bar. That's going to be from 11 to 12 and free admission.
Sounds amazing. I'm going to be there. And Jay, were you in Israel?
Yes, I actually lived in Israel from the age of 7 to 16.
What do you think about the Israeli girls?
I think they're very tough, but I still love them.
We went through the army, so of course we need to be tough. We are spicy girls. In Hebrew you say, אנחנו פיפיות. You gotta love us.
I'll have to agree with you 100% on that.
Jay, is it that hard to meet someone today?
I think it is. I think it's very hard to have that connection, the chemistry. We're looking for different things today. People are very picky. It's just very hard to meet that right person.
One of the topics on this show today is web dating and finding our loved ones through websites. Have you tried it?
Yes, I have tried it multiple times.
What do you think about it?
I think it's another great way to meet people. It's a little bit different than just going to an event, because a lot of times when you go to an event, you tend to meet a lot of the same people. But online, you meet people that like going to a nightclub, they like going to bars, they like sporting events. So you meet people that you're not necessarily going to meet at just one type of event.
I noticed another thing, that people today are not in a hurry at all to get married, to settle down. Why is that?
I think it's because what we're looking for today, it's a lot different than in the past. A lot of people are picky, some people know, or they say that they know what they want, but it's just finding that right person. It's not an easy thing. Some people wait a whole lifetime to find a special someone.
That was Jay Nightingale. Thank you, Jay. Definitely not what it used to be. So much have changed. Today we want it all. We want to explore the world before settling down. School, traveling, want to be with more than one man or woman. Is it good? Hell yeah. Right, Jay?
Yep. We want the experienced woman today.
What a man wants. A virgin or experienced woman?
Oh, we want the experience.
No, you don't. You want better sex. So yeah, definitely experienced woman. So as far as what's going out there, it is a circus. Jay, stay with us. Sexy quiz is coming.
Show kind of girl. Don't let the backseat got everything. bathtub. Oh, baby, I'ma put on a show kind of girl. Don't let the backseat start up you first. I'm gonna call the shots. I'm like a firecracker. I make it hot and I put on a show. Feel the adrenaline moving through my veins. Spotlight on me and we're ready to break. I'm like the fool of the dance floor is the stage. Better be ready, hope that you feel the same. On me in the center of the ring, just like a circus. Everybody gon' trip just like a circus. Watching me follow me, show me what you can do. Everybody let go, we can make a dance floor just like a circus. There's only two types of guys out there. Ones that can hang with me and ones that are scared. So baby, I hope that you've been prepared. I wanna talk shit, so beware. Call the shots. I make it hot and I put on a show. Feel the adrenaline moving through my veins. Spotlight on me and I'm ready to break. I'm like the fool of the dance floor is the stage. Better be ready, hope that you feel the same. There's only two. In the world. There's only two.
We are back with Jay and we are starting our sexy quiz. Jay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
What's the most attractive thing in a girl? The first thing you will look at.
Her eyes.
What is it with everybody with the eyes? It's Florida. Sunglasses. Sun out there. It's so hot. I mean, how can you even see the eyes?
That's something. Then I'll look at the whole package.
Well, yeah, I bet you will. Walking on the beach, seeing all the bikinis. I think that's the first thing you will look at. Next, a thong or maxi?
I'll say a thong.
Of course you would say thong. Next one, blondes or brunettes?
Brunette.
Housewife or a career woman?
Career woman.
True. Sleeping on the first date, turn on or turn off?
Turn off.
Turn off? Why is that?
Because I need a little bit of a challenge here.
That's how men think. Did you hear that, girls? It's a turn off. Don't sleep with anybody on the first date. Jay Nightingale, JYP 2030, thank you so much for being with us. See you on the events, right?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Jay. Bye-bye.